Yeah.
Alright, how are we going to do today? Okay, so we will do a reveal party. I know you have seen a glance of them, but we will have a reveal. Guys, can I have 4 people to help me? Someone help me at the back of the balloons. Thank you. At the back, at the back. We improvise because we are artists. All right. Everyone, are you ready?
Ready?
Sure?
Yes.
All right, for our first department.
Engineering.
Are you ready? Can we give them a round of applause? Can we give them a round of applause?
Let's go.
All right, presenting engineering department.
Wow.
So that Ram, maybe you can face the team again. Face them again.
Wow. All made from scratch.
Okay, can we please give a mic to Ram? Ram, can you please give us some details about your creation today? Who are you wearing? Go ahead, Ram. Hi. Ram, who are you wearing today and from which items your dress is made of?
Face here. These are the audience.
Ram.
This is your aluminum paper, which we can use for the food. This can hold for the food. And these things we take from the garbage room, and which item, food item coming from inside the cartoon. So we make this crop, and the cat same things, and the sunglasses we make from the juice bottle, and juice bottle and soft drink cans. Slipper as well, same thing.
Take care of
From fresh to fashion. Well done, Ram. Engineering.
Thank you. Ram, you can stand here. Guys, are you ready for our next department? Presenting Finance Department.
Big applause.
Let's go.
Wow. If you look well, you can see our financial results on here. Money, receipts, invoices. Wow. All comes together.
I have something additional. I have some payslips of the tourists. Have been printed, shredded. We are all invoices which are using so we are not doing
What's it?
Wow. Another question. Beautiful dress. Well done, engineering team. Finance team, sorry.
All right, thank you so much.
Oh.
Next department, presenting. I hope I'm not making this wrong. This is kitchen department, right?
Yes.
Presenting kitchen department.
Jeffy! Wow! Jeff!
Wow.
I can see some proud signs for our judges.
Wow, well done. What a great. All made from our today's breakfast eggs, right? Wow.
Leia, tell us, who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Julie, Lucia, and everything I have here is from breakfast. Pastry, I have egg trays, and I have a pineapple crown. Yeah.
David bag also from
Very
Suwon.
well. Another great example from scratch confession. Wow.
Judges, please have your last look before we go to the next contestant.
Well done.
Wow.
This girl is going for the runway. Thank you so much, Leia. Please join the rest of the team.
How would you do that dress? You can sell it. Okay, the number.
Alright. For our next department, presenting to you, Front Office. Work it.
Professional. Wow. Very nice.
One more,
The pose. We want to see one more pose. The looks. Yes, well done. So tell us, what are you
Microphone,
wearing
please.
and which materials did you use?
Cynthia, who are you wearing today?
This is my creation. I've used only the
Sorry again, it's your own creation?
Yes.
Wow.
And I've used that garbage bag, which is for me. I mean, I don't know places like rooms for the guests, in the washroom, in the cafeteria, in our offices. So yes.
Wow, well done. Big thumbs up.
Judges, last look. Thank you so much, Front Office. Let's go right away to our next department, presenting to you everyone our housekeeping department. Work it.
Well done, wow.
All right.
Amazing level of details as well. Wow, well done. So, tell us about your creation.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm wearing a decoration made of garbage bag and loose tissue.
Jack Creation. It's a brand, right? Jack. You pretty designer, housekeeping. Very
And
nice.
promote sustainable fashion.
Nakikinig.
Well done. Well done.
Thank you so much. Let me just get the music prepared. All right, guys.
Shout, okay?
Our last
I will make a
but not
voice.
least
Shout.
contestant. Everyone presenting to you our F&B department.
Ayan. Ken. Smile, madam.
Come on, Ken, Ken, Ken.
Come on! Go! Oh, ang...
Wow.
Oh, sige, Vera.
Live peacock. All the way.
Thank you. Kenneth, tell us, who are you wearing today?
Good afternoon, everybody. My creation of my dress is Miss Alan.
Miss Alan.
And then this is made of gloves, magazines paper, garbage bag, and quartz wine.
Wow, applause, well done. All the creativity, well done everybody. Can I invite you all in front again?
Alright, guys, we will ask them to walk again for us in line. So, please show your appreciation. Kenneth, you can stay there. Okay, you can stay there. And continue walking. Everyone presenting our models for
Big
today.
applause, give them one more time.
Get it! Get
What is this vice?
Okay. Everyone, while we are finalizing the results of today's competition, I will ask our models to please stay a bit forward so that the team can get a chance to take